Good morning, how are you, dear students? I hope you are well. Today I am going to discuss how you make a WS question. For this reason, some sentences are written on the board and these sentences are taken from from your textbook English for today, unit 20, lesson name Life is Beautiful. Dear students, you know WS question comes from the textbook, so these sentences are selected from textbook. These sentences are very easy for making WS question. So let's get started how we make WS question. Dear students, three sentences are written on the board. First sentence, Maria gets up early. At first we have to retranslate the meaning of the sentence. Maria gets up early. Maria সকাল সকাল ঘুম থেকে উঠে। Maria gets up early. Maria তাড়াতাড়ি ঘুম থেকে উঠে। Early অর্থ তাড়াতাড়ি। Maria gets up উঠে। Maria তাড়াতাড়ি ঘুম থেকে উঠে। And underline word early. Dear student, early, what is expressing here? Underline word early. You know early means time. For this reason, for time we use when. We use when for time. At first you have make question in Bangla. If you say কখন মারিয়া ঘুম থেকে উঠে, কখন মারিয়া ঘুম থেকে উঠে, so কখন ইংলিশ কি when. So we use when early. For early we use when. So start for making WS question. When. And dear students, you notice here subject Maria, verb get, and would get this word s is added. That means s or es form of verb. So we have to take do, does, did. Do or does, because you know get, got, present in present get, in past got. Get is present form, so for do or does. And which auxiliary verb should be used? Though gets s or es form of verb, so does should be used. So what auxiliary verb should be used? Does. When does. Next subject. When does Maria, then base form of verb, that means get, not gets, because for s form or is form of verb, does is used. You know do plus es, do plus es, here does, so s is not needed. S ব্যবহার করার কোনো দরকার না। when does Maria get up? When does Maria get up? কখন মারিয়া ঘুম থেকে উঠে? And now put a question mark, because after any kind of question mark must be given, otherwise you will not get any marks. Hope you are so clear, dear student. Next sentence, she feels happy. She feels happy. She feels happy. সে সুখ অনুভব করে, অর্থাৎ সে সুখী হয়, সে খুশি হয়। হ্যাপি অর্থ খুশি, ফিল অর্থ অনুভব করা। এখানে she is happy. Instead of is, here feel is used. If you use is, then s is not needed. Dear students, she subject. Here she means Maria, and as used as pronoun. You know noun and pronoun is the subject of the sentence. I again say noun and pronoun is the subject of any sentence. Here Maria noun, she pronoun. She feels happy, সে খুশি হয়, she feels happy, সে খুশি হয়, you can use she is happy, সে খুশি হয়, that means সে সুখ বা সুখী হয়, সুখ অনুভব করে। As like at the same sentence, here verb feels, gets, feels, next sentence also foods. That means three sentences are given on the board by using s or es form of verb. All verbs are used of s form of verbs. So here happy is adjective. Here early was early means time. Here early is also adjective, but here early is adjective and adverb. So here for adverb we can use where, when, how. Here early this adverb express the time, so we use when. But happy is adjective, because why adjective? She feels happy, she সুখী হয়। Here happy is modifier of the subject, that means modify the Maria or she, so happy is adjective. For adjective or adverb generally we use how. So at first we have to say মারিয়া কেমন অনুভব করে বা মারিয়ার কেমন লাগে। তাহলে আমরা বাংলায় যদি বলি কেমন, কেমন ইংরেজি হবে কি হাউ, তাহলে আমরা এই ওয়ার্ডটা ব্যবহার করব। প্রথম সেন্টেন্সে ফার্স্ট সেন্টেন্স উই ইউজ when, দিস সেন্টেন্স হাউ উইল বি ইউজড। মারিয়া কেমন অনুভব করে, তাহলে এখানে আমরা ইউজ করব হাউ। হাউ শুড বি ইউজড because মারিয়া কেমন লাগে বা কেমন অনুভব করে বা কেমন বোধ করে, তাহলে হাউ। সো the feels is main verb or এটা হলো মূল verb. So for WS question we have to take do or does. Which word should be taken, do or does? Certainly you think does. So how does next subject. What is the subject of this sentence? She. How does she next which word should be used? Main verb feel. Question mark. How does she feel? তার কেমন লাগে অথবা সে কেমন অনুভব করে। বাংলা in Bangla you have to make question such as তার কেমন অনুভব হয়, how does she feel, তার কেমন লাগে। Dear students, I hope you are clear both this sentence A and B. Next see, she puts her hand, she puts রাখে, হাত তার, হ্যান্ড হাত, she puts her hand, সে তার হাত রাখে on the glass, গ্লাসের উপরে, of the window, জানালা এর গ্লাসের উপরে, on the glass, গ্লাসের উপরে, of window, on the glass of window, জানালার গ্লাসের উপরে সে তার হাত রাখে। I again say she puts her hand, সে তার হাত রাখে on the glass of window, জানালার গ্লাসের উপর, জানালার গ্লাসের উপর। Underline word or phrase on the glass of window is a long phrase. Why it is phrase? Because on the glass of window. How many words here? 1 2 3 4 5 ফার্স্ট ওয়ার্ড নিয়ে এটা একটা ফ্রেজ করা হলো, এটাকে বলে তোমার নাউন ফ্রেজ। Here the glass of window is noun phrase, but when we use preposition before the noun phrase, then it is changed into adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrase. Dear student, again listen to me. The glass of window is noun phrase, but on the glass of window is adverbial phrase. That means adverb. Adverbial phrase. I again say the glass of window is noun phrase. On the glass of window is adverbial phrase. So at first you have to make WS question in Bangla. তাহলে আমরা এখানে বলতে পারি যে মারিয়া কোথায় তার হাত রাখে, মারিয়া কোথায় তার হাত রাখে। তো কোথায় ইংরেজি একেবারে সহজ। কোথায় ইংরেজি কি, এখানে লিখে দেওয়া হয়েছে where, তাহলে we can use where we can use where has been used where ব্যবহার করা হয়ে গেল and now which word should be taken as auxiliary verb or verb operator do does. Of course does, because base form of verb not base form of verb yes or yes form of verb, so does must be used. Where does next subject she, where does she, next V1 base form of verb put, not puts. Where does she put her hand? Extension of the sentence her hand. Question mark. Where does she put her hand? In Bangla, she কোথায় তার হাত রাখে? Where does she put her hand? সে কোথায় তার হাত রাখে? So dear students, I hope you are clear about these three sentences. এই তিনটা সেন্টেন্স সম্পর্কে আমি আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো। I again say these sentences are according to the grammatical structure. The sentences are present indefinite and present indefinite because you know in Soitos family we have discussed about tense. In that sentence in Soitos family past continuous, especially past continuous was discussed and present continuous was also discussed in class 4. So you must have to know the idea about tense. Tense সম্পর্কে তোমাদের ধারণা থাকতে হবে। So এখানে Maria gets up early, she felt happy, she puts her hand on the glass of window. এই তিনটা সেন্টেন্স হলো প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সের। এই জন্য আমরা এখানে ভার্বের সাথে এস বাই এস ব্যবহার করছি, এই জন্য আমরা ডাজ ব্যবহার করছি। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, সি ইউ অ্যাগেইন দ্য নেক্সট ক্লাস। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।